Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to download RTX voice for removing background voice. So if you're troubling with the mic background noise, how can you remove it? First of all guys, you have to search for this keyword RTX voice download. You have to search for it and just enter. Here the first link will open guys, click on it and now you have to scroll down. So if you're not being able to install it, then I'm going to cover it as well. So what you have to do guys, you have to scroll down and in the setup guide you will see options here. So first of all guys, there is a requirement. If you want to install it, you must have you must have so if you want to install nvidia in broadcast, it will require guys for nvidia geforce rtx 2060 and quadro rtx 3000, and these it supports these guys gpu will support the nvidia. And for if you want to use rtx, you must have at least nvidia gtx or rtx graphic card, and you just need to update to the driver if there is a new update. So once you meet this requirement, now you just need to scroll down, and from here in the setup guide, if you want to install rtx voice, just click on it and the xe file will be start downloading. And the installation is pretty straightforward guys, just download and just click on next, and your software will be installed successfully. Right now I am having an issue with my internet, so it's a very simple yeah. And so I've already started and it is of guys 329 MB. So once the file download, you can start the installation and install it, and it's a very easy setup method. So yeah, here's a guide as well. You can choose your guys once the installation done, you can choose your microphone and the output as well. And if you're using discord, you can choose the choose a microphone rtx voice instead of your microphone, because it will filter your microphone, and it will take the voice input from your microphone and will be act as a microphone input. So you just need to select the rtx voice in every software that if you want to use it. If you want to use obs, from obs you can also guys choose the microphone from here. Like right now I've been using this obs. So if you want to use rtx in it, you just need to click on properties and just choose your microphone or the rtx mic voice from here. So yeah, that's how you can use it. Right now my internet speed is quite slow, so I think your doubt will be cleared after watching this video. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.